Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Anonymous, rude people be like. Have you ever met someone who acts rude but never introduces themselves? Let's keep it light and humorous. Rude behavior and why it usually doesn't leave a good impression. 1. Trust me, bro. Be like, give advice but won't say who they are. Reason, credibility is stronger when people are open about themselves. 2. The invincible critic. Be like, drops criticism and disappear. Reason, constructive feedback works better when there's accountability. 3. The mystery expert. Be like, claims to know everything. Reason, real expert usually explain their experience clearly. 4. The hit and run commenter. Be like, leaves a rude comment and vanishes. Reason, respectful discussion require participation. 5. Secret judge. Be like, judges everyone from shadows. Reason, fair opinion are easier to trust when they're transparent. 6. Loud but unknown. Be like, makes huge claims with zero introduction. Reason, people naturally want to know the source. 7. Keyboard ninja. Be like, extra brave online, extra quiet offline. Reason, courage is strongest when consistent. 8. Empty package. Be like, big attitude, little evidence. Reason, facts speak louder than insults. 9. Drama delivery service. Be like, bring drama everywhere. Reason, positive conversation builds stronger communities. 10. Attention fisher. Be like, tries to provoke a reaction. Reason, genuine engagement beats baiting people. 11. Ring and run debater. Be like, starts an argument and leaves. Reason, discussions work less when both sides stay involved. 12. Mystery microphone. Be like, talks a lot but reveal nothing. Reason, openness helps build trust. 13. Missing puzzle piece. Be like, give accusation without context. Reason, complete information matters. 14. Easy chamber champion. Be like, repeats humors without checking faults. Reason, verification helps avoid misunderstanding. 15. The anonymous troublemaker. Be like, creates problems but avoid responsibilities. Reason, good character includes owning one's action. Remember, not every anonymous person is rude. Many value privacy and behave respectfully, but kindness, honesty, and accountability usually make conversation much better. Stay friendly, stay respectful, and keep spreading good vibes.